What's up, guys? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling. We got 3 jobs on the list. I didn't film the first one. We're in Mo, the one that gets me Mo money. Then we're gonna pick up a couch right now. So just got done picking up a couch for a customer. And it was pretty bad, guys. Bunch of bed bugs. Hope you guys see that. Yeah, it's a quick $100 job real quick, and it's on to the next one. So yeah, that couch is pretty nasty. It had a bunch of bed bugs. Best part of the job when you're in junk removal. One thing you want to do is make sure when you go home, throw your clothes immediately in the washing machine and wash them. You don't want to get that stuff in your guys' house, guys. If you guys ain't busy right now, when you wake up in the morning drinking your coffee, advertise. Instagram, Facebook, Craigslist, whatever you got to do, advertise. When you're in the dump line waiting, get on your phone, start advertising. That's what I do, guys. I advertise a lot and I stay busy. Stay busy through the winter. Always busy during the spring, summer's off the hook. And just advertise, guys. On to the next job. About to pick up a safe and also a piece of furniture. So stay tuned, guys. So we're over here at the job. I ain't got much room in my trailer, so we're breaking this thing down so I can fit it in the trailer, guys. So stay tuned. So yeah, it's 2 o'clock. Did 3 jobs today. Been getting a lot of phone calls for flood damage removal. We had a bunch of rain this last week out here in Cali, so a lot of people in certain areas got flooded out and they need stuff hauled away. So make sure when you guys put stuff in your website, put keywords like flood removal, flood damage removal. If you do hot tub removal, do hot tub removal. If you do, whatever you remove, make sure you put that in your website, guys. So we're on our way to the dumps and we're out here getting money. All right, stay tuned, guys. So I'm leaving the dumps right now. Just got another phone call for another job. It's about 15 minutes away. Yeah, we're open, guys, 24/7. Our number 707-889-9727. Same day service. We're getting this money, guys, so stay tuned. One more job. Thought the day was over, but it's not. Let's go get this money. So yeah, I just finished the 4th job, guys. And what I'm doing now is I got a couple box springs back here. I'm gonna load them up in my dump trailer I got over here. The reason why I do that is I like to do a lot of running around in my smaller Tundra. Saves me on gas, and I can bring the little items over here and just load them up. So I'm Matthew Vick, Sonoma Strong Hauling. Please subscribe down below and hit that like button, guys.